Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. We have Halloween look number 2 and this is what it looks like. Creepy, right? It looks so good. So I got the inspiration, I'm just gonna check here on my phone, for this makeup look from TikTok actually, and I got it from Blue Battle Bunny 7, and this is the look that she had there on TikTok, and I was like, I want to recreate that because it's so freaky and so cool. But yeah, it did take a while. It was my first time trying it, so all of my mistakes are recorded. But if you want to see how I came up with this look, then just keep on watching. First, I'm taking my Bourjois Healthy Mix foundation and I'm blending that out into my skin with a sponge. Then I'm taking my Catrice Anti-Red Concealer and I am just hiding all the red spots, and I have so much redness on my skin, it's actually ridiculous. Then I'm taking my PS, my Perfect Color Concealer, and I am putting that on top of the green concealer. Then going in with my Maybelline Anti-Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm just hiding those dark circles. And then going in with my Essence Camouflage Healthy Glow Concealer, and I'm putting that underneath my eyes and blending it out with a sponge. I'm also using the butt of my beauty sponge to blend out the spot concealing. Taking my Catrice CleanID eyeshadow palette and taking the shade Serenity, it's time to do the mask shading. So that's what I do. Going in with my Essence Liquid Ink Eyeliner, I am using that to outline the black space on my forehead. Then taking my Inglot 77 gel eyeliner, I am using that to fill in that black space. I should have used this from the get-go, but you know, I tried to be cool. Using the same gel liner, I am filling out the black space on my jaw as well. And here I use the gel liner to do the outline as well. So. Taking my PS rice powder, I am just setting my face, all of it. To bronze up my skin, I'm taking my Marc Jacobs Omega Tantastic bronzer, and I am putting this heavily on my left side and then a little bit lighter on the right side of my face. For blush, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Rosé Champagne blush. For highlighter, I'm going into the Sosu highlighter kit and I'm taking the shade Unicorn Dust and Moon Sparkle, and I'm just highlighting the left side of my cheekbones. And then for brows, I'm taking my Benefit Brow and I am doing my left eyebrow only. And then to set it, I'm taking my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter, and this time I am setting both of my eyebrows. For eyes, I'm taking my I Heart Chocolate palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm taking this light caramel color and I'm putting that in the transition area. Then going with this dark chocolate kind of shade, I'm putting that on the outer corner as well as in my crease. And I'm only doing my left eye, I'm leaving the right eye alone. Going into this icy shade on my pinky, I'm putting that all over my lid.
Using the brush we use that chocolate color, I'm just blending out the edges with no additional product. Going back into this caramel shade, I'm putting that all over my lower lash line. And then I'm taking this icy white shade as my inner corner highlight. Time for the wing, eyeliner, mascara and some lashes. For lips, I'm taking my Penneys red lip liner and also my Shiseido red lacquer lip gloss. Going back into my Catrice CleanID eyeshadow palette and taking the shade Serenity, I am intensifying my shading on the mask. Then taking my Colourpop So Jaded palette and the shade Stoned, I am making the line between the mask and the normal face a little bit more prominent with that shade so that it actually does look a little bit like a mask. Then taking a big fluffy brush, I am just blending out the edges so that this transition is seamless. Taking my Essence Healthy Glow Concealer and a small concealer brush, I am intensifying or even concealing on the mask side of my face that contrasts so that it kind of stands out and it looks sort of 3D. Making sure this concealer is blended down my face as well. And that's it, that's the whole look.
So that is it. There is a lot of blending, a lot of back and forth, but I think especially if I look at you from this angle, it just looks rad. So if you enjoyed this Halloween makeup look, please don't forget to give me a like and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much and I will see you in the next one. Bye.